What's up guys, we got that E-yeegar camera. We're gonna open the package here, and this is a dash cam that I got on Amazon. It was it's pretty affordable. It's like 40 bucks or something, and there's often a coupon that you can get to bring it down to around 20 bucks. It's really good for the price. So anyway, let's open this up, and we have a warranty card, a bunch of protective cardboard. We have the actual camera, which is in this little pouch, and we have a long cable to plug into your 12-volt cigarette lighter, and you're gonna want to hide this cable in the trim, and this tool is exactly what it's for. The way that you mount the camera to your windshield, you have a sticker that you could put directly on the inside of your windshield, or you can put it on these cards right here. These cards can be moved around if you're not happy with the positioning of your camera. There is an SD card that's already included. It's 32 gigs. And this is a look at the app that comes with the device. Once you install the camera, you connect to the Wi-Fi network that is created by the camera itself, and you get all the files that you need here. It's loop recording, so it records 1 minute at a time, and then after that it overwrites the oldest file. You can easily save it to your phone. I'm speeding this up a little bit, and it takes about 2 minutes, give or take, to save one of those 1 minute files to your phone. And if you're concerned about the file being overwritten, there's a button on the camera that you can press to lock the file so it doesn't get overwritten. And there's also a button for quick pictures, for a quick snapshot. And yeah, so if you're a witness in an accident or something, then you can just press the button and save the file as the incident happens. It won't get overwritten. You have several options here. One that I used right away is to turn off the sound. Okay, so now let's take a look at some video footage that is coming straight from the dash cam. This is on a clear day with a good amount of sunshine, blue sky and everything, perfect conditions. We're also going to take a look at some footage in the evening where we have a little bit less light, and some footage with an overcast sky, as well as finally something at night, so you can get an idea of the capabilities of the dash cam. In my opinion, I think it's very good, especially for the price. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will let you watch. I will chime in here and there. This is daytime footage. It's not full daylight, but it's like dusk, and yeah, that's what it looks like. The sky looks good, I find. Everything looks good. Everything is recognizable. The cars, you can see the license plates, you can see the street signs, and it's gonna be perfectly fine if you need the camera to be your witness in the event of an accident, and that's the purpose that I at least got it for. Now we're looking at footage from a day where it's very overcast, lots of clouds, and it still looks good. In my opinion, still looks great. No complaints whatsoever. You can still make out the intersections, the cars, everything that you need for dash cam. And this is not edited in any way, by the way. It's just straight from the dash cam without any color correction or anything like that. Now we're moving to a night scene. This is nighttime recording. You see those streaks that the lights create, and that's from the windshield wipers, I think, that create those streaks. I didn't want to completely clean my windshield and have it missing, because this is realistically what you're gonna see on your car that you use every day. You're not really gonna clean the windshield every single day with a chamois or anything like that. So this is realistically what you can expect at night. I think it's still good. I don't know what this lady is doing. I'm trying to park here. Obviously it looks better during the day, but I think it's not bad overall. So let me know what you think. What do you think of the footage? Do you think it was good, especially for the price? I think it was really good. If you're interested in getting this dashcam, I have a link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.